I have travelled many places, all over God's green earth, but there's nowhere quite as special as the cradle of my birth. There's a wild and windswept welcome raging in from the North Sea, the city on the silvery Tay, the city of Dundee. When I'm sitting in the city square and singing is my job, or chanting down the Murray Gate just to earn a couple of bob, I love to slag the passers-by and try to make them laugh, and the ones that have the least to give will always give you half. Glasgow's too divided, Embra's off it dry, Dundee stands above the rest, and here's the reason why. When winter winds are howling, you need shelter from the storm. Dundee folk are generous, Dundee folk are warm. There's a great mix of community, grannies and mums with buggies, and just to spice things up a bit, there's dafties, drunks and druggies. Most days when I'm working, there's someone brings me scran, and on quiet days I just sit back and sing to Desperate Dan. There's something about this city I can't put my finger on. I'm no here all that often, and I miss it when I'm gone. Without the nutters and the worthies, I wouldn't be the same. But as I look down fae up the law, I'm proud to call it hame. Glasgow's too divided, Embra's off it dry, Dundee towers above the rest, and here's the reason why. When winter winds are howling, you need shelter from the storm. Dundee folk are couthy, Dundee folk are warm. But now I'm getting on in years, I'm less inclined to roam. I'm finding peace and comfort in my long forsaken home. The north side of the city is the place I love to be, the city on the silvery Tay, the city of Dundee. The city on the silvery Tay, the city of Dundee.